If your chicken enchiladas ever come out dry, bland, or boring, this creamy cheese sauce is the fix you didn't know you needed. I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel. In this recipe, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to make a homemade creamy cheese sauce for chicken enchiladas. That's rich and smooth and way better than any restaurant version. Round up a saucepan, put it over medium heat, and drop in 3 tablespoons or 42 grams of unsalted butter. Melt the butter down, and this is such an easy enchilada sauce to make from scratch. Sprinkle 3 tablespoons or 24 grams of all-purpose flour over the melted butter. Whisk the 2 ingredients together, and this is a roux. This is going to be your thickening agent for this homemade enchilada cheese sauce. Frequently stir, watch the heat, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, pour in 1 3/4 cup, that's roughly about 438 milliliters of chicken stock. Snag a whisk, mix it all together, and here's a little secret for you. If you pour a cool liquid into a hot roux, or vice versa, a hot liquid into a cool roux, it'll be lump-free every time, guaranteed. Whenever it's well mixed, add diced tomatoes and green chilies. You'll add half of the tomato and chili mixture, as well as all of the liquid. You'll use the other half of the can's tomato and chilies to make the homemade enchiladas. For this recipe, you'll need 1 10-ounce can, that's 238 grams. Next up to bat, 8 ounces or 226 grams of cream cheese. Cut it into cubes and let it sit for about 30 minutes before adding it to the sauce. Add about half in. Use a spoon or a spatula to break it up. Your burner, it should be over about medium heat. Snag a whisk, give it a once over to smooth it out, and repeat the process with the other half of the cream cheese. By using cream cheese for this sauce, it'll be rich, it'll be creamy, and it'll have a smooth texture and will not be lumpy or grainy. Once the cheese is well incorporated into the sauce, and the sauce is just beginning to simmer, and whenever you do the line test and the line stays, you're ready to move on to the next step. Give the sauce a quick taste and add as much salt and pepper as needed. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? That's how you make the homemade enchilada sauce. So the big question is, why does this sauce work for chicken enchiladas? First off, chicken needs fat and flavor to stay juicy. And second, a creamy cheese sauce locks in moisture during baking, which that's what we're going to get into next. I'll put a link in the description section if you'd like to see how to make these homemade enchiladas. It's extremely quick and easy. Give the sauce a quick mix and pour it over the chicken enchiladas. I find that dumping it over the center and then evenly distributing it over the sides works best. Anything left in the pan is fair game. To finish it off, sprinkle on 1 cup or 113 grams of shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack blend. And the great thing about making a homemade creamy cheese sauce is you can make it how you like it. If you wanted to make the sauce hotter, you could always add some chopped jalapenos, add some red pepper flakes, cayenne pepper, knock yourself out. Bake uncovered in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius for 30 minutes or until golden brown and bubbly on the sides. And then you have a delicious homemade Mexican comfort food. If you've been searching for an easy homemade cheese sauce for enchiladas, this is the one that turns basic chicken enchiladas into comfort food perfection. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button, hype it up, and share it with your friends. Thanks again, and remember, keep whisking, y'all.